YouTube, it's your girl Zaire Joy here, and I'm back with another freaking video. Today's gonna be a travel vlog for us. I think my prep vlog should be up first. It's a little choppy, but yeah, we're on the road. We're going to the mountains. We're getting some food right now. Say hey, Riz.
What's up, hey?
So yeah, we're getting some bobo. It's boat time at Bojangles. So we're getting some Bojangles because we haven't eaten all day today. It's 2:30, y'all. We had such a hard time getting out the house. Y'all don't even want to know that story, but we out the house. So yeah, I guess just keep on watching and you can see us travel, because it's a travel vlog.
Appreciate it.
Thank you. Y'all don't know nothing about this honey mustard.
Wonder why some goofy nigga on the internet richer than them with brace teeth. What you, I'm gon' fuck it up. Get a records, I fuck my boss. Say you want me, then you out of love, baby girl. Promises, 2019. Pulled the link, I'm stuck in a dream. Started hit list back in 2014. I got a ice on me, super silly. Fathers came in off a hunt. Me and my niggas still tripping for fun. Didn't know I was the one. Still got niggas on the run. That fuck up.
Hey guys, we finally made it. Ooh, the sunlight hit. We finally made it here. We're the first ones here. We get to pick our room. But anyway, let me show y'all. It looks good. All right, here's the front door. When you walk in, here's the kitchen. Looking great. We got a fireplace. Here's the living room. It actually looks really nice in here. Bar cart. Oh, it's a half bath right here. But, oh, it's an upstairs. Come on, Riz. But what? Then it was an upstairs. Okay. But, oh, this room is cute. Got a little peekaboo. The first room was downstairs, y'all. Here's the next bathroom. Y'all, so I had to use the bathroom, but here's the bathroom. Let me show you the room we sharing. Here's one bed. It's cute. The other bed, closet. Here is the view. That window dirty. Let me show y'all this side view. Here's the car. Can you get my bags out when you're done?
Go ahead. Can you hold this?
What's there?
Put down the bed or the room that we...
Why didn't you put it up there already? Here's the huge bed. Let me show y'all the bathroom. This is cute. Riz, which bathroom you in? So, Tamia is, how far is she away? She's like 10 minutes away. My parents are still 2 hours away. But I'm waiting for everybody to get here. And then once they get here, we will go get some food. But I don't have my jacket on because I had to use the bathroom, y'all. But I'm gonna show you the outside. Like, the view is so pretty. Backyard, and it's really nice. Whew. It's freezing cold. I'm waiting for Rizzo to come back so he can go get my stuff. But yeah, so I'm waiting for everybody to come, and then I'll talk to you guys whenever we go get food. Period. Because look at the sunlight though.
Basically, I'm saying either way we bout to slide. Can't let this one slide. Don't you wanna
All right, vlog. So we just finished eating, and y'all saw the food. Look, we got the hostess. I see you, Tamia. We just finished eating, so we're about to head back to the house. I think my parents might be there now. And yeah, we gotta go up this curvy road. We just had a photo shoot. Oh, you can still see me in the dark.
She was a blogger. They like when they used to hear people bloggers, they might have gave you something extra. They want you to give a good review.
Right. All right, y'all, so we just got back to the house, back to his house. My parents are still not here, so we waiting for them. I'm about to go ahead and connect to the Wi-Fi, and I'm going to go ahead and do my assignment because it is due. Is it due today? I think it's due today, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And yeah. What's goody, vlog? It's definitely the next day. It is 9:39. So, let me see. So we planned on going to the mountain at what time? 10:30, 11 supposedly. We don't know that for sure. But we got dressed. This is the fit. Y'all, I did not know these tights were gonna be green. Like, they look a mess. Like, look. But yeah, y'all, so I'm gonna talk to y'all a little bit later once I go stop at the gas station. Dang, you ripped it right off. What's goody? So y'all, it's 11:30. We're definitely running behind, but we're about to be on our way to go to Chimney Rock to go hike up this mountain. We got Thomas, Rizdian, and Tamia. We still waiting for Tamia. But yeah, y'all, so we just waiting so that we can drive. Y'all, I haven't eaten anything all day today. I'm hungry, so we're gonna see how this go. Because they tell me I ain't no gas station. What? No gas station? Huh? What if you run out of gas? Make that make sense? But yeah.
When you're outside, well, if you go inside, you gotta have masks on, and if you,
I got a big pack in here.
Where
you want
people and you can't social distance, and you gotta have masks on.
Okay, I got a whole pack in here. You can use one of these, Thomas. Thomas, you good, Thomas? You can use one of these.
He said he wanted his own. He wanted one that he knows.
So that means when we get to the top, we gotta put our mask on. All right, vlog. So we are here. We about to start this journey. Let me give y'all. Can you hold this for me, babe? I'll hook you up.
Fuck 12, fuck SWAT, buzzing all the tails out the box. I just hit a lick with the box, had to put the stick in the box. The mojo feel, I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo feel. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night I know them will be getting fed. Jump too hard, don't stand too close. I'm fucking on the ground, off this way, doing all the show. I'm in that road, I don't care why I go, long as I get paid. Bad little fight, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night I know.
They said that this nigga fogging her. Wouldn't wanna see me lately. Wonder why that bitch wanna date me.
I'm tired.
Mom, don't drop your phone.
Y'all, we almost at the top. How much? Bruh. We've been walking for 40 minutes. It says I've done 0.4 of a mile, but your girl is tired. They said we've been walking for 40 minutes. I'm tired. Rizdian and them already going up to the top. All right, y'all, so my camera is on like 2 bars of battery, and we're at the top. It's a little loud, but I'm gonna insert pictures of the pictures we took. Y'all, it didn't even take long to get up here. Maybe I should talk to y'all whenever we get in the car, because I'm not sure if y'all can hear me. But yeah. Okay, vlog, so we finally made it down. It was way quicker down than it was going back up. So I think we're about to go, where we about to go? Downtown Chimney Rock. So yeah, so I'm gonna try to record when we get back down there because we still gotta walk to the car. and get in the car.
I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I'ma break every box they try to put me in. I can see clearly when you're on myself. I'm blinded by the lights. No, I can't.
This is my plate. Jumbo wing. Look good. Okay, vlog. So we have to check out at 10 o'clock. What time is it, Mia? Or what time is it, buddy? It's 8:44, so we're doing really good. So yeah, that's about it. Yesterday was our last full day here. It was fun. It was long, but fun. Here's Breeze. You want to say hey to the vlog, Mia?
I look crazy.
You don't.
Hey.
She do not look crazy. But okay. Hey vlog, so we're about 15 minutes from the house.
You say you gotta use the bathroom?
Yeah, I'm not going right now. I just want to go to the house. We're about 15 minutes from the house. I think I'm going to conclude this vlog right here. I had a great trip. I really enjoyed myself. My head hurts. I'm cold. I left the door open. I had a great trip. I enjoyed myself. You enjoyed yourself?
No, it's good. Definitely do it again. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Definitely will do it again. We probably will do it again one day. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video or videos like this, like, comment, and subscribe. I have a couple more travel videos planned. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video.